Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Thank you guys for joining me, your boy Tony. Today I'm in my dad's overalls because I'm working on the floor and I'm working on the Z, and I'm doing two videos at once. I don't know if this is a good idea. We're gonna see how this turns out, but since I'm doing a Z video on the other side, I'm gonna do a bug video for you guys right now, right here. This kind of start off by for me telling you guys a story. So it's been raining lately and I kind of want to drive one of my cars in the rain, and the Z is not gonna happen. So my dad did pick up something for me at the junkyard that I'm excited to show you, that, you know, maybe you guys will like. So I did get this powder coated by my boy Andy. Shout out to my boy Andy. You already know him. Coming through for the boy. And this comes better packaged than most of the people I buy stuff from online. Sheesh. This is powder coat, my guys. This is no more paint. We stepping it up here. Sheesh. But it did not look like this when I got it, man. When I got it, sheesh, it was different, to say the least. You know, it was different. Nonetheless, we're gonna buzz down. It doesn't look proper. If you guys seen the other white stuff I have on my car, it's not just white. We got it in some detail. So what I'm gonna have, so what I'm actually getting done right now, while I hang that and prep it and do all that stuff, I got these paint cans over here warming up. Because if you guys know these colors, you guys already know it's about to go down. Well, obviously clear coat, but you're gonna, if you guys haven't seen the transformation I did with my bug, I'm gonna link it in the description below so you guys can check it out. But we're gonna have some custom work done to it by yours truly, and the powder coat will last forever. Durable. We're just stepping it up now. And this is the first of many. To get powder coated, man. This is a sample, and if you guys can see, the thing is white as it can get, man. So right now we're gonna hang this up, and I know it's dark. You guys are saying it's dark. It's not actually dark. Well, it is dark, obviously, but it's not nighttime. So what I have to combat that, I watch a lot of Adam LZ, and he said that he uses this to speed up the process. So what I'm gonna do is hang it up, use this to warm up the metal, warm up the paint cans if I need to, spray my paint, and then after that I'm just gonna keep warming it until it dries, because I do not want to sit here all night and just wait for that thing to dry. That would be terrible. So this is kind of the blue I used to paint match my bug. It's a GM color. Get it at AutoZone. It's like $10 a can. Pretty expensive, but it gets the job done. Y'all haven't even seen me get artistic yet. Just wait till I start busting down, man. You guys, I'm gonna blow you guys away for real. And this is not even good lighting, so the finished product you guys are gonna have to see later on, probably when I put it on the car. But let me know what you guys think. I haven't told you guys yet what this is for, but this is to deflect water. So let me know in the comments down below where do you guys think it goes. I'm not telling you guys yet. I'm telling you guys until I put it on. But it's missing a few things, but this is the big piece, plus there's the whole thing. But it's just missing some lines. But let me know where you guys think it goes, man. Let me know in the comments down below. This we'll be using right here, acrylic lacquer, crystal clear gloss right here. It's starting to rain again, so it's a good thing I actually put it on. And I don't think you guys are actually ready for how good it looks, man. It looks pretty good. But if you guys can tell, it's like raining. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on. You already see it poking through, man. You already see it, man. Quit playing with me, man. And that's just from the outside, bro. People come up here and be like, whoa, man, like, what's going on here? You see it's already functional, man. It's already holding in all the water, man. You see it, you see it. Future on, I'd like to make a plate that goes right here, and I just slip it on at night or whenever it rains and the car's parked, and take it off when I start driving and stuff. But you see the water drains right there. Sheesh, it doesn't look so killer, man. Let me just open it up for you guys already, man. Y'all ready for this or what? Hey, y'all gotta drop a fat thumbs up for this video before I show you guys, man. I'm gonna give you guys like 3 seconds, man, because damn, I put a lot of work into this. My homie got down and it just looks so good, man. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Ooh, shit, man, looks good. Let me put the stand up. Let me put the stand up. Let me show you guys with the little stand on. Sheesh, man, this thing be looking sauce. Pretty soon it's gonna have some hoses that come up through here and all the way to the bottom right here, to where when it's shut, the water goes through like right here and whatnot, not in here. That's the goal. But what you guys think, man? What you guys? I put one of these caps so you guys get an idea the hose is gonna go from here up. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, bruh. I hardly see any of these on bugs, and when I do see them, they ain't this nice, bruh. They ain't this nice, man. This thing looks killer. Just do that little bit of justice real quick. Jeez, I could just remember how ugly this thing used to look in here before I put in some work, man. Some elbow grease, a couple hours, man, do a lot to a car, man. Look at this. Man, y'all need to give a fat thumbs up to the video, man. This thing is gorgeous. I love this car. Look at this, bruh. Just came back from the store. This is what I got. I got some adjustables from Home Depot. Not adjustables, but they're just shiny. The other ones they're not rusted, but they're just black, and I don't like that. It's gonna look a lot better. And I got some hose from AutoZone. Got 4 feet, so I'm gonna use 2 feet and 2 feet on each side. This is basically, let me show you guys. I'm gonna cut it right now, but it's just gonna go from right here and just pretty much go up and then come down right here, or up, you know. But once the hood is closed, they're gonna be like right about here, and then all the water's just gonna fall out. Easy money. I don't think you guys are ready to see this, man. Before it looked cool, now it looks functional and beautiful. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. Oof, oof. I even got the hoses right now. I'm just using the opposite bend of it to keep it there. But I need to figure out what I'm gonna do to actually keep them like right there and hidden, so you can hardly see them. But I'll figure that out later. But for right now, it'll work, you know. And the hardware, keep the hardware, man. I believe these do have another extension point right here to like mount them, but I'm not gonna drill holes through my hood. Plus, it's on there pretty solid, so I'm cool with that. Got a little bit dirty, don't worry about it. But you know what you guys think about this engine bay, man? Y'all drop a fat like in this video, man, if you guys like the new engine bay, man. I love this. I actually want to keep the hood on now. Sheesh, this thing looks wet, man. I love it. You guys get the whole angle view? Yes, yes. Sheesh, this looks wet, bruh. I love it so much, bruh. This I just can't get over this, man. Like, this is clean, bruh. Like, see, little hose right there, it'll just drain the water. This one you can't see. And I think it's supposed to be a little bit more like this, but I don't want to bend it. It looks fine. It doesn't really bother me. I think it looks good. I'm not really bothered by it at all. My filter's right there. So like I said, I do need to make a plate right here that I could just put from the inside, from the outside, whatever, to keep water from coming into this specific area right here. But other than that, it does help a lot. And when I'm driving, I'm sure it'll keep everything great. But obviously we put that new. I can't be walking around with these crusty. Oh Lord. Yeah, we need some new ones up here, boss. Luckily my dad sponsored me with the driver one like this, and I sponsored the passenger side, which is less quality, which is the AutoZone brand. But y'all on the passenger seat better just be grateful you guys can see. You already know we Gucci, man. You already know we took care of that. On this side as well, took care of that, and they be wiping clean, man. Safe to say this bug is rain certified. Never really thought that would ever happen, but here we are, ladies and gentlemen. You guys can just see how terrible this was, bro. Like, what was this gonna do? What was this gonna do, man? I'm gonna put up what my boy Andy had to deal with, because it was pretty bad before. It was a junkyard find, so I'm gonna put in that right now, and you guys are gonna see the transformation. It's crazy. he really got down, bro. Shout out to my boy Andy. He really came through for me. I'm really trying to step up the quality of the builds. I want to do a little bit better. I don't just want to be that guy that MacGyvers it in his, like, you know, yard or whatever. Even though that's still going to be who I am, because I can't change that, but it's still, at least the quality is going to be a step up, man. Step up, man. That's what I'm trying to do. Always trying to level up. Always trying to do better for you guys. Always trying to do better for Toon-Tooners, man. We going up, man. We going up, man. Slowly but surely, we going up, man. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below about the rain guard. Let me know if you guys know any info about them, because as far as I know, it's a pretty hard item to come across of. And a lot of them that are actually on the cars, they're just black. They're not actually like color matched. They're not actually like, you know, it's not artistic, you know. And I didn't want to just put it on because I thought it was gonna look so out of place and so ugly, and you know, it just wasn't my thing. That's what my dad got me. My dad got a rain guard as well, but it goes on the outside and it works a little bit differently, as in I don't believe it lets air in anymore because it just completely covers it. And you might have seen them on J-Bugs' website. They're like the ones that go on the outside that you have to like color match because it's like plastic. I really did not like those. I thought it threw off the shape of the car so much. It just wasn't my thing. But luckily my dad came across this, gave it to me from the junkyard, and we were able to bring it back to life, and it looks super baller, man. Like now I don't even want to take off the hood. Before, like I want to take off the hood all the time. Now I don't want to because I feel like it has such good taste to it, bro. And the fact that I can drive it more and more in the rain now, as well as the wipers, bro. Because I used to think the wipers were hideous, even on my Z. You guys saw that. But now I want to have a little bit of a car more functional, you know? And if I could drive this car in the rain and vibe out in the rain, man, hasta con más ganas, you know? You know what I'm saying, man? I'm just super excited, man. The Bug's coming a long way from my first video when I introduced it to the channel. It's really come a long way, man. And I'm really happy. I'm really excited because I'm literally like not anywhere like near done with this car. Like, I want to do so much to this car and I want to do it myself. It's just so satisfying doing all this stuff myself, doing the work myself, learning about them. You know, it's just fun. Like, I appreciate everyone that helps me with my builds, but I enjoy doing this. You know, like I love to do this with my cars, man. If you guys do too, make sure to drop it down in the comments below. Let's chat it up, man. Somebody say something in the comments down below, man. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, guys, if you guys like it, if you guys hate it. Let me know what you guys think, man. I'm always curious to know what you guys' thoughts are. My advice for you guys today is, how you do one thing is how you do everything, you know? So I'm gonna use this car as a metaphor, which I normally do. I use normally my cars for metaphors, but that tray in the back could have looked ugly. I could have just slapped it on, functional, done. Nah, I wanted to do it right. If I was gonna put that under the hood gotta look nice, bro. And if you guys remember what it looked like before, that thing was trashed in the back, bro. As much like Volkswagens are, because this is like 30 years old. It's pretty old, you know, like it's like 40 years old, man. It's almost 40 years old. Crazy. But anyways, that was that, guys. I mean, how you do one thing is how you do everything. How you perform at your job is how you're gonna perform for your hustle. You know, how you perform for your hustle is gonna be how you perform for your job, man. It goes hand in hand, man. So whatever you do, make sure to do it your best. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter what it is you're doing, just make sure you do your best, because that work ethic and that ganas is gonna go a long way, bro. Trust, bro. Like, I used to think it wouldn't, but the way I started doing it, my stuff's starting to really level up the way I wanted it to, and it's still going up, you know? And I'm super excited and I'm super blessed for the opportunities in my life, and I'm super grateful to have such amazing people in my movement, man. I mean, if you guys know, we chatted up in the DMs, we chatted up in the comments. I'm always talking to you guys. I'm always saying what's up. Like, I always run into you guys at random places and we say what's up, man. Like, the movement is like real, man. It's real. And I hope you guys stick along for the ride and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that bell while you're there, you know, so you never miss out on the dope video. With that being said, guys, I don't got a long rant or chat or whatever you guys want to call it, advice for today. I just wanted to pour out some positivity to you guys and, you know, drop some knowledge if I could, man. You know, with that being said, I'm probably gonna head out now. I'm gonna go film another video for you guys on the G37 that you guys haven't seen in the longest. So hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day. Also, take care of you guys yourself, man. I want to see you guys take care of you guys yourself. I want to see you guys alive, well, and healthy, man. That's all I want for my people. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.